I'm Matt, and I'm back with Welder Supply to do the unboxing of the new Miller Multimatic 215 Pro. This is a true multi-process machine for any light industrial application. It's packed with upgrades like smooth start technology and a new drive system. Now let's see exactly what you get inside. Once you get your box open, the first thing you're going to find is your owner's manual for your MDX gun and for the new 215. Next, you're going to find your 15-foot MDX 100 gun. You'll also find your stinger with your cable, your ground clamp with your work lead. You'll also find your inert gas regulator and your gas hose. You will also find a free material thickness gauge and a couple of extra contact tips. Now let's take a look at the power source itself. It weighs just 35 pounds and comes with Miller's MVP or its multi-voltage plug. Let's open our new Multimatic 215 Pro and see what's inside. The first thing you are going to notice is your welding parameters chart. Next thing you'll notice is our plug for your 110 outlet. Let's look inside the side door. Here we have the angled cast aluminum drive system. It features a calibrated tension knob for consistent feeding and uses quick select drive rolls with 3 grooves. You get 2 grooves for different solid wire sizes and a third specifically for flux-cored. It's set up to weld with either 024 to 035 solid wire and 030 to 045 flux-cored wire. Also, tucked to the right is the USB port. This allows for software updates, so your machine is continually upgradable as new features come out. Let's flip the switch and turn the machine on. You might not hear much because of the fan on-demand cooling system. It only runs when needed, reducing noise and energy use. The new color LCD screen makes auto set incredibly easy. Let's go over our auto set features. In here, you'll be able to choose the process, whether it's MIG, flux-cored, TIG, or stick. But let's choose MIG. From here, we can set our wire diameter and our material thickness. The Multimatic 215 Pro features gas detect to alert you to supply issues, and auto spool gun detect, so you don't need a switch when connecting a spool gun. And finally, you're ready to weld. You'll appreciate the smooth start technology. It provides a smooth, spatter-free start, making this the best starting machine in its category. And that's the new Miller Multimatic 215 Pro. If you want to grab one, hit the link below or visit weldersupply.com. When you order, you'll receive a free spool gun while supplies last. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.